Hi guys, welcome back to another baking video. This year I really wanted to go with a different style of baking video because last year I did a Halloween cake compilation, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to change it up this year and do some cookies instead. And I don't have too many cookie decorating videos on my channel, so I thought it'd just be fun to kind of change it up a little bit. I was really hoping that I was gonna get the chance to make more than just one Halloween baking video this year, but cookies take a couple of days to do just because the process, there's drying time in between. And I also pre-recorded this video a little bit ahead of time just because I've been moving the last few weeks and I'm pretty sure I'll have videos out by now just explaining everything. But there was no way that I was gonna miss doing a baking video for Halloween, so I'm really glad that I was at least able to get this one up. If I had to choose my favorite holiday for baking, I probably would say Halloween even over Christmas, just because I feel like there's so many fun things that you can do for Halloween and there's so many different creatures that you can create. And I also really enjoy making cookies because I'm not sure if I've mentioned this before, but I just find them so much less stressful because number one, you can make a ton of them so you have multiple to practice on. And I really love decorating sets of cookies because then you get to do multiple designs. Hopefully I'll still be able to do some baking videos in the future, but I know for sure for the next little while I'll be probably mostly focused on vlogs. So thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoy this video.